So I've really gotten into something called kombucha, and basically what it is just fermented tea. Sounds kind of disgusting when you kind of describe it like that, but if you think about it and you like wine, that's fermented grapes, right? Anyways, I like kombucha because it has live probiotics and it's just like good for your gut health. And it's like a fun treat to have because we're drinking only water, and I might have 1 cup of coffee a day, and I try to put no sugar in that. Or cream. Actually, just we'll talk about some other time. It's called bulletproof coffee. Hashtag bulletproof coffee. Anyways, so if you like bulletproof coffee, give this a like, whoop whoop, and subscribe. Okay, so today I have never made kombucha, so you're kind of like just going with me on this journey to try it out. I'm really excited. I bought it from the grocery store. I've tried the local brand in Little Rock, and I love it. Anyway, so this is what we've got going so far. I have a gallon jug, and I filled it up with about 13 cups of hot water. Then I put in 1 cup of sugar, and then I put in 4 black tea bags. The brand that I used is... I also want my kombucha to have a nice fruity flavor to it, so I will be using the following fruits. I got fresh peaches from the local grocery store, and they are so good. So basically, I'm just cutting the peaches in half, and then I'm getting the pits out with my knife. Then I'm putting them over here, and spoiler alert, they're going to go to our compost bin. So that will be a video to look forward to, and once I make that, I will link that video in the description below as well. We're also going to be using blackberries as the other fruit because I just love those. They're fresh right now. These were grown in Arkansas. Not sure about the peaches since they were from the grocery store. I kind of doubt they were grown in Arkansas, but it would be really cool if they were. So this here is called a SCOBY. It actually stands for something, but I cannot remember off the top of my head, but it's the live culture. So that's what goes into your starter tea over here, and it will grow and it will eat the sugar that's in the tea, so the sugar content will not be as high as you think with a cup of sugar in here. It will kind of eat some of the fruit a little bit, I believe, and the sugars from that, and it will ferment our tea that we have steeping right now. I'm steeping this tea for 10 minutes, so our time's almost up. So I'll take the bags out. I guess I could go ahead and do that now, huh? And trip, 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 trip. If you're not making a mess, you're not having fun, right?
There's a magic in your eyes. Hey, there's a good light shining through. I need it tonight. I need it tonight.
You have to add so much liquid from your last batch of kombucha into your new batch because it helps the growth process in the cultures. This is my limited knowledge right now, so if anyone has more knowledge on this, please feel free to comment. And if I've said anything wrong, I'm human and I'm learning, so help me learn. Okay, let's see if this works. Come on, little Scooby, go to your new home. Gross, it worked. Okay, so let's try to like straighten this out. Can y'all see all this? very gently need to flatten this out and put it on top. Wicked. Oh my gosh, it's already got like layers and layers. That's a baby SCOBY. Whoa. I feel like I have to lay this whole thing out flat though. Okay, let's see. Come on, God, help me here. Ooh, wicked. Doesn't that look like, I don't know, an alien or I won't say what me and my best friend call it. I don't know if that would pertain to all audiences. Anyways, that's cool though. Okay, I think it's on top now. I don't know if it matters if the blackberries are on top. I'll have to reach out to my friend and see what she says. Ta-da! Now, I have conflicting information. Somebody has told me to put a towel on top of this, like a kitchen towel, like this. Just place it on top, and then place a rubber band around the rim on top of the towel, so you keep like gnats out and stuff like that, and you keep the light away from it. But then the how-to tutorial that I found online says to put a cheesecloth on top with a rubber band. So this gallon jug, bought it on Amazon. I'll link below where I got it. It actually was like $13 or $14, and I used Amazon Prime because I'm a member. And it came with the cheesecloth, a plastic screw-on lid, a rubber band, this gallon jug, and then a tea ball infuser, which I'm super pumped about because I have some loose leaf tea. So it's an 18x8 stainless steel. I don't even know what that means. It's stainless steel to keep loose tea in. And it's nice. I really like it. It seems like it's pretty well designed. Haven't tried it yet. But yeah, so I'll figure out which works better, the cheesecloth or the towel. I might try the cheesecloth so I can kind of keep an eye on it and see it better, because it's going to go in my pantry where it's dark anyways. So you can let your kombucha sit for 7 to 30 days, and it needs to be between 68 and 85 degrees where you set it. It needs to be a dark area like a pantry, a cellar, something like that. And it says that it's ready whenever it smells kind of sour, but also tastes good to you. So pour a glass or pour a little out of your jug, give it a sip, see how it tastes. And my recommendation to you, this is just personal preference, I would not smell it first, I would taste it first. Because if you get a store-bought bottle of kombucha and you smell it first, it smells kind of sour and vinegary. So I would definitely just taste it first. Also, a cool little fact that I learned is if you bottle it and it's in an airtight container, it will actually get kind of fizzy too. So if you get kombucha at the store, it has kind of a fizzy texture to it, almost like a little club soda or something like that. Some people like it, some people don't. If you don't like it fizzy, then don't package it in an airtight container. So this won't be airtight, but once it is ready to drink, we're personally going to put it in a gallon glass jar with a stainless steel spigot from Amazon and keep it in our fridge so it's cold. So it might get fizzy because we have a lid on it, but I guess we could get the lid off and put a cheesecloth on top to protect it too. So anyways, I hope this inspires you to at least get a bottle of kombucha next time you're out and try it. If you have any questions or comments, please link them below, subscribe, and don't forget to like it.